Welcome back, everybody. If you're interested in learning more about the spring FabFitFun box, we know of is by a company called Alice and Olivia. It is a daisy print duffel bag. It comes with one interior pocket, two exterior pockets. It retails for $150 on their website. And it's very whimsical, as the creator explains. She also says, I have always gravitated toward floral prints, and nothing says spring like a daisy. Daisies symbolize many things, including innocence, love, and new beginnings. And that's by Stacy Vendette. That's who curated the bag for FabFitFun. However, like I said, it is available on their website to go check it. Available is the Paracone MD Essential FX Acylglyphosate. I think I'm saying that right. Rejuvenating moisturizer. Keeps skin deeply hydrated, and it retails for $98. So if you're interested in starting some herbs early for the summertime, or you just want to have like a little herb garden in your kitchen, this is by a company called Short Stories. It is an LED indoor planter. You can bring out your inner thumb with this planter, and it also comes with a little packet that has Market Italian leaf basil seeds in it. The seeds retail for $2.99, but the planter itself retails for $60. Gorgeous watch. It is like a rose gold in the center on the face, and the band is a gray. Very elegant. You can dress this up, dress this down. It's by a company called Monroe. It's a classic watch, and they call it, it's in the color Sunset. It retails for $105. It comes with its own dust bag, and they explain it as function meets fashion with this chic stainless steel watch. My choice item, I'm pretty sure, is the Jenny Kane water hyacinth tray with cutout handles. That was a mouthful, sorry. It retails for $45, and it says decorate your space with this plant-based woven tray. I figure you can do just about anything with this. I think it would look really nice with some plants inside of it. That's actually how FabFitFun was displaying it. I think it's gorgeous, maybe on a tabletop, or you can decorate it on the walls. Very boho chic, very nice. Is a Tech Candy, and it's a UV sanitizing bed. You can put your phone in here, you can put your brushes in here. It says anything that has a hard flat surface you can put in this to sanitize. They do say you should sanitize 5 minutes on each side, and in the lab it was tested to get rid of 99% of staph, E. coli, salmonella, and that it will help with any other, things that we get on our phone after we wash our hands. We go ahead and touch anything that, I'm wondering if we can put our keys in there, something like that. Rising mask by Milk Makeup. It's a watermelon mask. It's for hydrating, and it also comes with a separate mini face serum. The two of them together retail for $40. I actually do have the Milk Makeup mask with me. The mask brightens dark spots and hydrates. This could also be used as a spot treatment, and the serum also does immediate hydration, it claims as well. It has vitamin A, C, and E to help fight free radicals. This is what the mask looks like. It comes out very pink. It looks a little, it's actually on your face. I think it is very hydrating, very brightening. This is nice because a lot of the Milk Makeup stick masks, it only takes about 10 minutes, and then you can just wipe it off. For $40. One of them is the Shoshana umbrella. It has its own sleeve as well, and it has a button, I'm guessing, to retract it. It's on the bottom, and I'm not sure if it helps with the closure, but it does help with retraction. The next item is the Cow Pack set of 3 packing cubes. These are great for, you know, if you're going to be going on vacation and you want to keep things separate, or organizing inside your home, makeup bags, whatever that you need organization with, it helps with that. They are durable, they claim, and they come in sizes small, medium, and large. Categories where we'll be able to choose from, especially if you do have that year-long membership, and you'll be able to pick those 5 different items. Otherwise, you know, if you're paying quarterly, you will be able to pick 3 of your items, and then the rest of them are chosen by FabFitFun. I choose the quarterly because I like the surprises. I like not knowing everything that I'm going to get. That's part of the fun to me about having a subscription box, is having those surprises as well. If you want to know more information about FabFitFun or about any of the items, please feel free, ask questions. I've been doing, this is going on my 2nd year. This Bring Box marks my 2nd anniversary with FabFitFun, and I've loved it so far. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. Let me know, what out of this category of items, what would you be choosing? I hope everybody has a great day. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please subscribe, and it will help out so much for me and my family. Thank you so much.